everybody. Lindabradley here with Princess House. So I have the newest layaway for you, and I'm numbering them now so it's easier to keep track of them. So this one is layaway number 14. So if you want it, just let me know. You can reach out to me, Lindabradley at myprincesshouse.com. I try to make all different kinds of layaway sets just depending on what you might be interested in. So this is a cookware layaway, and this is especially for people that want to try new things but maybe don't have a ton of room in their kitchen, because the first in this whole series is our stackable set. This was actually designed to help you save room in your kitchen. It saves 35% room because the pieces just stack up. There are 3 pans and it comes with 2 lids, and the pans can go in any order that you want. A couple of really nifty things about them. First of all, in the bottom, there are 2 rings. One is for a teaspoon, one is for a tablespoon. So when you go to pour your oil in, it makes it really easy. And in the same fashion, there are measurements up the side, which really makes it nice. If your recipe tells you to add 2 quarts of water, it's super easy to just do it that way. So this piece is the first in the set. This is a 6-inch stock pot. These are all 10 inches wide. The second piece in the set is a 4-quart casserole, and of course the lids are interchangeable. They fit every one of them. And then the last piece in this particular set is the 10-inch skillet. So like I said, they stack whichever way you want. It comes with 3 pots, 2 lids, and they're all interchangeable. All right? Next up, what else do you need in a good kitchen? You need really good quality knives. And everybody that gets these knives just falls in love with them. So first of all, they do come with the sheath. So if you don't have a knife block, you can keep them in the plastic sheath. You're gonna see that the handles are foam. So they're very light, and they're great if you have arthritis or anything that you can't have heavy knives. They feel really nice and comfortable in your hands. You'll see that there's a dark finish to them, and that's because they are non-stick. So they're especially nice if you're going to do things like tomatoes or cheese, all the things that sticks to the knives. So we have one for meat, we have one for fruit. This is like a santoku knife for fruit and your vegetables. And then we have a serrated blade, which is great for pretty much anything, sandwiches and anything that you need to do. All right, so we have 3 pots, 3 knives, and now I have a couple of specialty pots for you. Especially as we are now approaching our spring and summer months, this is one of the most popular items, and this is our grill pan. So you can see, right, the grill right on it. A lot of people don't want to go outside to cook, especially if it gets super hot, but you still want the grill effect. And so this has the nice heavy glass press on it, and of course that has the Princess Heritage pattern on it, so you can press your foods in. So you can use this right on your stovetop. It's oven safe as well, and dishwasher safe, and lifetime warranty. But also keep in mind that you can use this for your steaks, you can use it for panini sandwiches, chicken, fish, anything that you want to go ahead and put those grill marks on, and that is our grill pan. It is non-stick, so it's super easy to clean. And then last but not least, I thought that you needed a big pot to do some of your larger cooking. Now, I have to tell you that this is the Tri-ply, and what I love about the Tri-ply is that the aluminum, because remember, it's stainless steel, aluminum, and stainless steel, it goes all the way up the sides, making it a super thermal pot. Now this one is actually a 12-quart size. The one that you're going to get in this package is an 8-quart size, so it's a little bit smaller, okay? But 8 quarts is a really nice size that you can use for like your spaghetti or maybe a seafood boil, chili, anything like that. So this whole package, the 3 pans, the 2 lids, the 3 sets of knives, the 8-quart stock pot, and the grill pan, all of them are a layaway. You can start it for just $125 and then make 10 weekly payments of $37.20. So just reach out to me, Lindabradley at myprincesshouse.com, to set it up. You can pay with Visa, MasterCard, Discover, PayPal, Venmo, Zelle, like whatever works for you. We ship anywhere in the United States. Once your order is paid in full is when it ships. If you want to change the payments, you can, all right? And if you want to change some of the items, you can. So if you don't want the grill pan, I'll play with you a little bit. Depends what you have, because how I make up my layaway. So just reach out to me, Lindabradley at myprincesshouse.com. Tell me that you're interested in layaway number 14, and then we'll take it from there. I do have a bonus offer for you. I always liked them, okay? So most of you know that Princess House started years ago with our Princess Heritage pattern. Let me come around and show you how beautiful these are. So these are the Margarita glasses. Can you see that Princess Heritage pattern? They're so pretty. And they are a set of 4, and this is a bonus right now. So what's going to happen with the bonus is once you buy this package, I can offer you a bonus of the Margarita glasses. Now, just because they're called Margarita glasses doesn't mean that's the only way to use them. They're great for parfaits, right? You can use them for fruit. They make things look so special. Shrimp cocktail, right? But here's the deal. Because this is a bonus, you can get 4 glasses of the margaritas for just $20. But if you want 8, I can give you 8 for just $30. And if you want 12, I can give you 12 for just $40. That's it. So these are the bonuses. This is layaway number 14. Reach out to me, Lindabradley at myprincesshouse.com, and I'll get you hooked up. But you might as well get some great pieces that are going to last you forever, because remember, a cookware has a lifetime warranty, and enjoy cooking again. All right, see you next time. Thanks as always. And please subscribe to my channel so you never miss a special, because you never know what's coming next with me.